Now, lockdown in most parts of India are being lifted, and to make the most of this opportunity, I've been going around city, taking my van and overlanding rigs out on test rides to get ready for the big trip coming up ahead. So, in our next episode, we'll start our expedition into Assam, which will be a longer trip. So, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow our channel in order to stay updated.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode on our channel. Today's show we are not using the van, instead we are in our overlanding rig to give you a better picture of how overlanding and van life are different. Is in this setup you'll see the Xenon is equipped with a rooftop tent, and in the back of the car we are tailgate cooking a fish today, and we're going to cook it in an authentic style which we'll show you. Before we get into that, traveling with Dandy again, so we have to feed her some eggs. Right after that we're going to start the preparation for the fish.
Now, I'm not gonna talk about recipe of this dish. If you're interested, there'll be a description down below. Instead, let's talk about overlanding versus van life. While in both overlanding and van life, you'll have a place to cook, sleep, and travel in the vehicle, the main difference boils down to maneuverability and stealthiness. Both forms of travel demand love and respect for the great outdoors, an educated mind and burning desire to see what lies beyond the horizon. Van life becomes overlanding when the people using the vehicle decide to use it for the intended purpose of traveling for pleasure and not just living free. Looks like the fish is almost ready now. It's time to take it out. Let's see how it finally looks. Wow. Smells delicious.